Whenever I search on my Google, there's a strange thing that appears which is AI overview, but I don't like it, so I want to remove it. So if you also want to remove it, I will show you how to do that, so stick with me. So first of all, you can see a button here which is called Labs. Just tap on the Labs button. Now there is interface, test new features, and there are so many options here. So just tap on this settings button, or you can say manage button. Okay, now there is an easy button to turn off or toggle off the particular AI overviews and more. So you can easily toggle off these. Now if I search anything on Google, there will be no overviews anymore. Let's search this one. You can see there is no overview right now. So in this way you can easily do it. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video, and if you want to have this type of quick and easy solution, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.